Lesson number 3. Subset and equal set. A set P is said to be a subset of another set Q if every element in P is in Q. That is, X element of P implies X element of Q. In symbol, we write this. And we read this as P is a subset of Q. If every element in P is in Q, and there is at least one element in Q that is not in P, we say that P is a proper subset of Q. And we write this. We read this as P is a proper subset of Q. If P is a subset of Q and Q is a subset of P, then P and Q are equal set. That is, P is equal to Q. Example 1. Let A be the set containing the element 2, 1, 3, and 4. B the set containing the element 4, 2, 1, and 3. And C is the set containing the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then 1. A is a subset of B. As you can see, every element here in A is there in B. 2. B is a subset of A because every element here in B is there in A. 3. A is equal to B because of the two statements here. Because A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, that is why A and B are equal. In other words, we can say that two sets are equal if they contain exactly the same element. 4. A is a proper subset of C because every element in A is there in C, and there are some elements in C that are not there in A. For example, 5 is there in C, it is not there in A. 6 is also there in C, it is not there in A. That is why A is a proper subset of C. Also, B is a proper subset of C. Generating subset of a set. If there are n elements in a set, then we can generate altogether 2 to the power n subset of that set. We note that 1 empty set is a subset of every set, and 2 a set is a subset of itself. Example 2. Let us generate all possible subsets of the set A consisting of the element A, E, and U. Solution. Here, the number of elements in this set is 3. That's n is equal to 3. Which therefore means that we can generate altogether 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 8 possible subset of A. And the subset are 1 empty set. Recall, empty set is a subset of every set. 2 the set containing A. 3 the set containing E. 4 the set containing U. 5 the set containing A and E. 6 the set containing A and U. 7 the set containing E and U. And lastly 8 the set A itself. That's the set containing all the elements A, E, and U. Please note, when generating possible subset of a set, always start with the empty set, then form set with one element each. After that, form set with two elements each, and then set with three elements, and so on. On your own. Number 1, list all subsets of the following set. 1. A is a set containing A. 2. B, the set containing A, B, C, and D. 3. C, the set containing A, B, C, D, and E. Number 2. State the relationship between the following pairs of sets. 1. A containing the element 1, 3, 2, and 0, and B containing the element 0, 3, 1, 2. 2. P consisting of the element 1, 0, 3, 2, and Q consisting of 0, 1, 2. 3. R consisting of 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, and S consisting of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.